The future for the ZeGage Pro will be to enter the market and replace probably stylus instruments. The ZeGage Pro and the ZeGage Pro HR are entry-level instruments. They are extremely easy to use and they work in very harsh environmental areas. Oil is an issue, vibrations are an issue, but the instrument can take a lot of them. We have special algorithm to look what are the vibrations, and we can calculate the vibrations out of the result. That allows us to offer an entrance-based instrument, providing an excellent measurement result and measurement repeatability. In this area of the mechanical production, the traditional stylus measurement technology is still there. Optical non-contact metrology, easy to use, has a good opportunity to replace those instruments. The total ownership costs will be less than they are with the stylus instruments due we have non-contact. There is no material that will be used or worn out. For the future, I see more and more that we need to think about integration into machines to bring the machine even closer to the production machines. So that is maybe the future, that the next generations will be integrated.